Hey, what's up, SiaCoin holder? So what's going on this time? SiaCoin will get a profit in very huge profit market. If we check out this is only the last 1 day, so in last 1 day also the price is increased now. Otherwise, in last 7 days, my friends, they will get a 4% profit. So I think absolutely it's really good now. And my friend, expert says to in upcoming time, my friend, 15% huge explosion, my friend, is coming soon. So wow, my goodness, can really this is possible to in upcoming time? SiaCoin price will pumps up 15%. Yes, why with the 100% there is a chance because when a holder are starting buying, then remember why with this too, the coin price will completely increasing. And this time you can see my friend every coin will moving in this circulation. So my friend, if we check out in the last point, so definitely my friend, you can see here the arrow is moving in upward direction. Definitely after Adam, every coin will pumps up. So when a holder says my friends to in upcoming time the price will increasing, then I research start nice starting research personally, and my friend which result which I found I will just only share now. So this time you can see my friend I found this my friends in upcoming time the very huge explosion is coming soon. But this is very good news, especially for short time investor, because when a short time investor is starting selling, so you can see here they were fails down like that in last 12 hour minus 0.11%. This year coin price will decrease now, but in last 24 hours they were in the completely in the profit. So therefore I will notify you to please if they were fails down for a short time, this does not mean to you are starting selling. Hold it. I hope my friends after a very short time they will give you a double to triple profit. So therefore please holders don't starting selling. See you next time. Please like video and also press the bell icon for videos notification. I hope my friends you will earn a lot of money if you follow ABS Tech channel.